This is Blake Yard with my 2011 bike check. Start at the front. Got Eastern 1-year bars, 8.75 rides, 28.5 width with Fit Tech grips with Mutiny bar ends. Got a Fit S4 top load. Colony headset painted black. S&M Pitchforks XLTs. Got Demolition Bulimia front hub laced up to Demolition Zero rim. G-Sport Gland Coalition pegs. Got the Fly Lago 21-inch top tube. Got a couple dents in it. Got the King Sexton seat. Adamlab pivotal post. Tree 27.2 spline drive sprocket. Stolen team cranks. JCPC pedals. The Shadow Conspiracy chain. In the back, we got a Rolls laced up to Zero with Shadow Hubguard Coalition pegs. The tires is an Odyssey Dirt Path in the back, 2.20, and a Fit FAF 2 in 2.25. Thanks for watching my bike check. Bye.